Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Sneha. Today we have an exciting story Lost at the Airport. Listen carefully and stay till the end because after the story we are going to learn some powerful English words and phrases straight from the story. Let's begin. Maya had never traveled alone before. She was 24 years old, and this was her first solo trip from New York to London. Her hands were trembling as she entered the airport. Gate number B14. She repeated to herself, "Don't forget B14." She checked in her luggage, passed through security, and felt a little proud of herself. This is not so difficult, she thought, smiling. But then she looked up at the departure board. Her flight said, "Gate changed, now departing from G2." Maya froze. She had no idea where gate G2 was. She looked left, she looked right. Everyone around her seemed to know exactly where they were going. She felt completely overwhelmed. She stopped an airport staff member. "Excuse me," she said nervously. "I'm sorry to bother you, but could you help me? My gate has changed. I can't find G2." The staff member smiled kindly. "Of course, go straight, take the elevator to level 2 and follow the signs for G gates. You have about 20 minutes, plenty of time." Maya exhaled deeply, like she had been holding her breath forever. "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it," she said. She followed the directions carefully. Straight, elevator, level 2, signs for G gates. And there it was, gate G2. She sat down, heart still beating fast, but she had made it. Just then, the announcement came. "Passengers for flight BA206 to London, we are now ready for boarding." Maya smiled to herself. She had been lost, she had been scared, but she had asked for help, and that made all the difference. As the plane took off, she looked out of the window at the Manhattan skyline getting smaller below her. "I did it," she whispered, and somewhere over the Atlantic her confidence took off too. Now, let's learn words and phrases from the story. Solo trip, meaning traveling alone without anyone. Trembling, meaning shaking slightly because of fear or nervousness. Departure board, the screen at the airport that shows flight timings and gate numbers. Overwhelmed, feeling like everything is too much to handle at once. I really appreciate it. Meaning, a polite and warm way to say thank you. Boarding, meaning the process of getting onto a plane, made all the difference. Meaning, one action changed everything completely. And that's our story for today. Shadow the story again, practice these phrases, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.